By 2060, wearing physical luxury clothes may look outdated. Some of the richest people on Earth may no longer wear real fabric at all. And for some, their outfit could change every single day, powered entirely by AI. Imagine a jacket that shifts color based on your emotions, or luxury outfits that only exist in the digital world, worn only in virtual spaces. Luxury fashion is about to become something completely unrecognizable. For decades, fashion has been about status, exclusivity, and identity. But by 2060, technology may redefine what luxury even means. AI may replace human fashion designers entirely. One system could generate millions of unique designs instantly, with perfect precision, meaning the world's most expensive outfit may never even be touched by human hands. Smart clothing could change style in real time. One voice command, and your entire outfit transforms. Different colors, different textures, even different designs. One outfit, endless identities. Some luxury brands may no longer exist in the physical world. Instead, people could spend millions on digital fashion, for social media, virtual worlds, or AI avatars. Clothing that exists only as code, but costs more than real materials. Robotic systems may craft physical fashion with perfect precision. No imperfections, no mistakes, no human limitation. Perfect stitching, perfect shapes, perfect materials, every single time. But future luxury may go even deeper. Your clothes could monitor your body in real time, tracking your heart rate, stress levels, hydration, even emotional shifts. Fashion that doesn't just look good, but reacts to you. And surprisingly, sustainability may become the ultimate symbol of status. In a world shaped by AI and mass production, the rarest luxury might be zero environmental impact. Some futurists even predict clothing designed from your DNA. Outfits generated based on your personality, your biology, your emotions, fashion made only for you and no one else. And slowly, technology may disappear into fashion completely. No visible devices, no screens, no gadgets, just elegant clothing, powered by invisible intelligence. Exclusivity could reach a new extreme. AI may create one-of-one designs that can never be copied. True uniqueness may become more valuable than gold. But here's the real question. If AI designs the clothes, robots make them, and digital avatars wear them, will luxury fashion still feel human? By 2060, fashion may no longer be just what you wear. It could become a living system, constantly adapting, evolving, and responding to who you are. So ask yourself, would you wear AI-designed luxury fashion in the future?